What's up, guys? My name is Rob G, and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, I want to thank you guys for visiting. In today's video, we're going to be talking about talking in front of the camera as a YouTuber, trying to get you a little more comfortable with speaking into a camera and getting you comfortable with that. Most people here on YouTube have a hard time with it. In the beginning of when I first started recording videos, I had a hard time with the camera. I did a lot of videos of like unboxings and stuff like that, where I didn't really show myself, and that was just the way I was recording. But I wanted to get a lot comfortable with that, so I decided to get in front of the camera and want to give you a couple of tips that will kind of help you out to get comfortable with the camera as a YouTuber. If this is your first time here on the channel, I want to thank you guys for visiting. You can support the channel by subscribing to the channel. It would help me out so much, and I do appreciate it. So as a YouTuber, talking in front of the camera is probably one of the hardest things that you're going to come up against. Getting comfortable in front of the camera is a little hard. It takes a lot of practice, and eventually you'll get better at it. The only way you're going to get better at this is by practicing and getting in front of the camera, talking in front of the camera like I am, to connect with you guys. And this is a good thing when you're doing that, is to try to connect with your viewers. And talking in front of the camera is the way to do it. There's a lot of different ways you can get comfortable in front of the camera, but one of the biggest ways is to just practice at it. There's going to be a lot of times that you're talking in front of a camera it's not going to be easy for you, and you are going to make mistakes, because I make mistakes all the time. As a matter of fact, I don't think there's one time that I actually shoot a video where I don't make a mistake, or I might say something that I'm not supposed to say, or make an error, or just get something wrong. And that's okay, because that's where editing comes in, and editing is going to help you kind of correct some of the mistakes that you make. But practicing is definitely going to help you do that. And the only way to do that is just keep shooting your videos. Your videos don't have to be perfect. I'm going to tell you, they don't have to be perfect. As you get better at it, your videos will get a little better, and you will get better at shooting videos. It's just that simple. But practicing and talking in front of the camera is going to help you out. Getting everything set up and you being comfortable talking in front of the cameras without any distraction is going to help you do that. So trying to do this is not really hard, but it's going to take a lot of practice. And some people get used to it. Some people may not get used to it. There are channels here on YouTube that people don't even show their faces, and they do really well. It depends on who you are. I'm one of those people that I don't mind showing my face. I like to make a connection with the viewers here on YouTube, so it doesn't really bother me. It just takes practice at doing it. So you set up your camera and you just do a couple of dry runs before you actually shoot your video, and that's going to help you to produce better videos, and that's going to help you to get comfortable in front of the camera. That's the only way to do it. You can just have no distractions around you when you're shooting your videos. So if you have a home studio, or you have a little area or a room that you're in and you're shooting your videos, practicing is going to help you get better at it. And that's for sure. So I feel a lot more comfortable now than I did a couple of years ago when I was shooting videos. I didn't really get in front of the camera like I am now. I got my camera set up and I just talk in front of the camera, and I'm fine. A lot of people script what they say. I don't do that, because one of the reasons why I don't do that, because it's very time consuming to do that. And as you know, most of us as YouTubers, we're a one-man show, so we do basically everything. I don't have time to write my scripts down and memorize all that and shoot my videos, edit, upload, and do a lot of different stuff. I don't have time to do all that. So I just trying to kind of think about what I'm going to say, make a couple of bullet points and stuff like that, and just run from there. So hopefully this video will kind of help you out and allow you to get comfortable in front of the camera like I'm doing right now, talking to you guys. That's something that we all need to probably practice on, and eventually we'll get better at it. But practice is the only way to do it, and doing it like the way I'm doing it right now, it helps me out a lot. It really does. It gives me the confidence to get in front of a camera and talk in front of the camera like I am doing right now. I don't have no distractions around me right now. So everything's pretty quiet, and I just kind of get my sessions together to know when to shoot my videos. That's going to help you when you don't have no distractions. So just kind of get everything set up and just watch some other people here on YouTube that's doing it. And they'll give you some tips too to help you get through this and help you be a better video producer and to help shoot your videos for YouTube. So I hope you guys found some value in this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. And let me know in the comments, what are some of the things that you're struggling with as a YouTuber here, shooting your videos? Are you comfortable talking in front of the camera? Are you still working on it? Do you need some extra tips to help you do that? And I do appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.